Figure 4 MED-AMB 10 is a transparent biocompatible material available on the Figure 4 family of 3D printers. With a heat deflection temperature of over 100 degrees C, MED-AMB 10 is ideal for parts used in medical devices and surgery planning, including parts that need to undergo sterilization and autoclaving. The material is also capable of meeting the ISO 109935 and 10 standards. With its clear amber transparency and ultra-smooth surfaces, this material is a good fit for when you need see-through drill guides and fluid or gas flow visualization.